Hello and welcome back to Eagles FS. In this video, I will teach you one of the institutional reference points entry called breaker block. I will teach you how to use breaker block to take your threads perfectly. I've been using this entry technique over the years and it has been playing out very nicely. So before I teach you what is breaker block, I would like to use charts. I would like to go to a drawing board to give you illustration to enable you to understand this thing clearly. But before we go there, if this is your first time of coming into my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video, share my videos. So let's go. So basically, breaker block is simply a failed order block. That is a violated order block. Let me explain with a chart. Okay. So when you come to your chart and price is moving upwards like this, created a higher high, a high and created a higher low, okay, and created a higher high, okay. So now when price break a structure, when price break a structure, let me show you what I mean. When price break this high, this level, okay, normally price will come back to this zone. There is another block here. The price, one of these reference points, the price do normally come back to for a reference before moving up, okay. So let me change this color, this other block. So that is it better. Okay, let me put this way. This is another block now. So normally price will normally do what? Come back to make a reference to it before moving up. Price will normally come back here. Price will trade into this other block before continuational move. But in terms of breaker block, price will come there and break below it. Price will break below it, okay, and return back to this block. At this point in time, it's no longer an order block, it is called a breaker block. But you don't just take trades immediately price come to a breaker block. What you will do is to go down to here 15 minutes, because the time frame we are showing you this thing now is on a 4-hour time frame. So all you need to do is to go down to 15 minutes time frame and look for what? A change of character towards bearish momentum, and you take your trades, okay, down to this zone. So this is a bearish order block. We also have a bullish order block. Sorry, this is a bearish breaker block. We also have a bullish breaker block. Let me show you how bullish breaker block was. Price is moving in a downtrend this way. Okay, I hope you have seen what I'm doing, so that when you go to chart it becomes easy. Price will normally come back to this zone for a reference purpose. Okay, that's how price normally do. But in this case scenario, price will come and violate it. It will not respect it. Price will now return back to this zone and break it. It will not respect it. Close above it. Okay. So when price coming back again to retest it is now called, this is called a bullish breaker block. This zone, this candle here, the last candle that traded here, it is called a bullish breaker block. Price will test it. That's all you need to do is just go down to your 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame and look for a change in character towards bullish side, and you take your trades uptrend, you move up. Okay, price test it on a retest here, on a test here, price will do what? Move up. Price will move up. So all you need to do is go to your 4-hour. Once you see a breaker block in your 4-hour time frame, All you need to do is use something and highlight it, that candle, highlight it this way and shift it like this, so that when price will come back for a retest, you take the trade on the direction of overall trend. Okay, I hope this explanation is clear. So let's go to chart and do one or two illustrations. This is Euro USD. I'm seeing breaker block somewhere here. Okay, okay, fine. So look at this zone now. Is this not a break? eh, Is it not a break of structure? Break of structure to where? Upside. And price is coming back to this where? To this other block. And price coming back. Price supposed to come here and then move up. But rather, this thing fell and price do what? Break and close below it. So let's look at what happened. So immediately notice that price has break and close below this zone. Okay, like this. All you need to do, just highlight their failed order block, which will now become your breaker block. This is your failed order block. You highlight it. Okay, shift it towards this side. So now, all the second you need to do now is to do what? You now go down to 15 minutes time frame and watch this movement that is coming up like this, and watch when it will now change towards bearish side to align with the overall trend, which is now bearish. So you go to 15 minutes time frame, look at when this because in 15 minutes time frame this is now bullish trend. Watch when this bullish trend will now change to bearish trend in 15 minutes time frame, then you take your sell using your order block or your fair value gap. So let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is 15 minutes time frame. Let me adjust this so that this is 15 minutes time frame. You notice that in 15 minutes time frame, when price is moving up to this is our zone that we mark in 4 hour time frame, our breaker block. This zone that I highlighted is our breaker block. Okay, so you notice that when price traded inside this breaker block, it was coming from a bullish momentum. It could continue doing higher high and higher low, higher high and what? Higher low. Created another higher high and created lower low. Break below this zone. You see when it break below this zone. Let me remove it so that you see it. This is where your shift to market structure occurs in 15 minutes time frame. This is where it occurs in 15 minutes time frame. So all you need to do at this point in time, bring out your fib level. Okay, bring out your fib and take from swing high to swing low. You sell from premium. So your premium start from this 50% retracement. So inside your premium, what do you have now? You have fair value gap inside your premium and other block. So this trade, you take it with your fair value gap. This zone is your premium. You take this sell. So immediately price comes in there, you take your sell in this zone now. Okay, and your stop loss will be above the zone. You take your sell here inside this zone, and your stop loss will be a little bit above this zone. This is your stop loss, and your take profit will be where this retracement started. Let me do it so that you see it properly. Okay, this is your this zone. Are you seeing it? Exactly. So this is your take profit. You risk 1% of your account, you get about 2.16% of your account. This is normally how I use this entry technique to take my trades, and it's been working perfectly. So if you like what you are seeing in my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, drop your comment in the comment section. Let me see your opinion. There are other places you can see these things. Let's go back to 4 hour time frame. See it, you see all this zone that I mark. So your assignment is now go down to your chart and look out for breaker block. The thing play out here very well. E played out here very well. Okay, so this is your own assignment. If you do the assignment, drop it in my comment section. Tell me if what you practice work or if it didn't work. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.